subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new gaming-centric phone under GT series in China called Realme GT Neo with a stylish design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Realme GT Neo features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6, 8 or 12GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Realme GT Neo houses a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes an 64MP main camera with Sony IMX682 sensor plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. At the front, it has an 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.5 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 50W fast charging. For gaming, the company has added GT mode for enhanced gaming experience, and it has 3D tempered VC liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.5 by 73.3 by 8.4mm, and it weighs around 179 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme GT Neo has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1799 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Final Fantasy, Geek Silver and Hacker Black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from April 8th. So what do you guys think of this Realme GT Neo smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.